Maintenance and usage of Cowhide bags. Features of Cowhide. Cowhide features coarse, compact fiber, making it durable and wear-resistant. Yet it requires protection against dryness, cracking, and oil contamination. Daily usage tips. 1. Environmental protection. Keep away from direct sunlight, high-temperature sources, heaters, air conditioner outlets, dampness, and sharp objects. Immediately blow rain or snow moisture with a dry soft cloth. Never dry under direct sun or heat. 2. Loading rules. Avoid overstuffing or placing sharp items against the leather. Fill with paper scraps and store in a dust bag during long-term idle storage to prevent sagging and deformation. 3. Carrying tips. Switch shoulders frequently to avoid permanent deformation from uneven stress. Prevent scratches on metal fittings. Cleaning by leather type. Smooth Cowhide. Wipe off loose dust with a dry cloth first. Remove stains with a slightly damp soft cloth. For stubborn dirt, dab a small amount of neutral cleaner. Blot right away with dry cloth when air dry in cool ventilation. Pebbled green Cowhide. Follow the same cleaning steps as smooth leather. Apply matching leather conditioner after cleaning to boost leather flexibility. Nubuck suede Cowhide. Brush surface dust along grain with a soft brush. Spot treat all stains with dedicated cleaner and comb the knob after drying to restore texture. Regular maintenance. 1. Conditioning frequency. Basic care once a month, every 2 weeks in rainy seasons or with frequent use. 2. Conditioner selection. Use leather lotion for smooth leather and special care spray for suede, nubuck. Never mix different products to avoid leather damage. 3. Storage. Fully clean and condition before long-term storage. Put into a dust bag and keep in cool dry space away from compression. Quick fixes for common problems. Scratches. Rub smooth leather with matching shoe polish. Gently sand suede with fine sandpaper, then spray care agent. Wall stains. Cover with cornstarch overnight for grease absorption and brush off powder next day. Do not rinse with water directly. Mold spots. Wipe lightly with alcohol damp and soft cloth. Air dry thoroughly, then condition. Place the seconds during storage.